Model, 66-plate Fiat Fiorino 1.3 Multijet diesel 80 Euro6 spares OR repairs ULEZ complaint belt snapped bargain open mouth smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 118,768. MOT, the 18th of December 2024. Engine, 1248 cc 199 A9000, E5, E. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, timing chain has snapped. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, EU status, ULEZ compliant. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp